Hey guys, Anmol here from TechLekh, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Huawei Nova 3i. Huawei set this standard in the mid-range segment with the Nova 2i, and now the Nova 3i is here to carry on its success. We'll take a depth look at the Nova 3i, but first, let's see what's inside the box. First up is the phone itself that has a gorgeous iris purple color and it looks really cool, but let's put it aside for now. Next up we have a SIM ejector tool, a 5V 2A USB charger and a earphone. Now the Nova 3i has a lot of aesthetic similarities to the Nova 3e. The front has a 6.3 inches LTPS LCD display with a notch, dual 16MP plus 2MP front cameras and a earpiece. The bezels are also tinier than the Nova 3e as well as the bottom chin, a wee bit improvement on the Nova 3e. The dual front camera also allows for face unlock and it is blazing fast. Well, I'm really impressed. The right side has a volume button and a power button, whereas the left side houses a hybrid SIM tray, which supports either 2 nano SIM card or a combo of 1 nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom we have a USB type A port, a headphone jack and a mono speaker. Onto the back we have a similar design to the Nova 3e but with upgraded cameras. Huawei Nova 3i has a combination of 16MP sensor and a 2MP sensor, where the main sensor has an aperture of f2.2 and the second sensor is a depth sensor. Furthermore, they come equipped with Huawei's AI camera technology. Initial shots from the camera are pretty good, as you guys can see for yourself. The fingerprint placement is also similar to the Nova 3e and it's snappy like it should be. Powering the Nova 3i is a brand new Kirin 710 chipset with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The performance so far has been pretty snappy, plus it already has Huawei's GPU Turbo update that increases the efficiency of its GPU. Using the brand new chipset, Huawei's EMUI runs the show on top of Android Oreo 8.1, and there are some minor changes that we'll discuss later in our full review. So far, the Nova 3i looks pretty impressive. Its aesthetics and AI camera could be a complete game changer, and to find it out, do not forget to subscribe us for the full review of Nova 3i. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.